In this video, I'll show you how to install REFramework mods in Resident Evil 7. Check my video description for this mod link. First, download this REFramework. Select the download option and select slow download. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this RE7 cutscene skipper. Select the manual download option. Make sure you choose the mod that requires only REFramework and select the download option and select slow download option. Once the REFramework download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this input8.dll inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open the mod you downloaded for REFramework. Drag and drop the files inside of a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see REFramework. Default menu key is insert key. Whenever you press the insert key, REFramework will opens up. Expand this configuration. If you want to change this insert key, select this menu key and you can set any key you like. I'm gonna set this to 1. And now whenever you press the 1 key, this REFramework will opens up. Expand this script generated UI. Expand this RE7 cutscene. Under the script generator UI, you can able to see whatever mod you installed for this REFramework. In my case, the RE7 cutscene is enabled in default, so I don't need to do anything. Just close stuff here. As you can see, we successfully skipped the cutscene and get into the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.